Take ground beef, spice it with salt, some pepper. Now mix it all together. Roll it, make a nice big long sausage out of it, thin sausage. Now use spatula and make a perfect square like this. Look at that. Olive oil. Now put the square meat on the pan. Add some onions, add mushrooms. Yes, and a little bit more mushrooms. Now flip the square very carefully. Awesome. Now add the egg in the middle. It's gonna be amazing. Look at this egg right in the middle. Good. Add cheese on top like this. One more piece of cheese. Perfect. Now add the onion on top. Add hot mushrooms on top. Cover with lid. Turn off the heat. Put mustard on the bun and spread it. Wow, beautiful. Cheese is melted. Service. Right on the bun. Yes, like so. And now put tomato on top. Cover with another piece of bun. Look at this from all sides. Beautifully assembled cheeseburger square. Cut it open. Let's see how it looks on the inside. Amazing. Wow, so delicious. Yummy. I love it. Yes, sir. Like, share, and subscribe, my friend.